Hey guys, so in this quick video, I'm just going to be showing you quickly how to use Rate My Rental. So we're on the home page right now. We're going to be, in this home page, you can search for different listings. So for example, let's search for this address right here, 81 St. Mary Street. As you can see, you get a drop-down list of all address recommendations. So let's search 81 St. Mary Street, and we search this, and we see that someone has made a listing. Some other user has made a listing for 81 St. Mary Street. So let's click on this. And when we go on this listing, we can see right over here that we see other reviews. So we see this review by this one person. So I want to go ahead and add my own review to this listing. So I'm going to go ahead and add a review. And of course, to add a review, I need to first register for an account. So let's go ahead and do that, sign up. So as you can see right over here about the note, for the simplicity for users, you do not need to provide your an actual email in order to register for an account. However, without an actual email, in the event that you forget your password, you will not be able to retrieve it or reset it. So for the purpose of this video, I'm just going to create a fake account. So account 2. So as you can see, we have now logged in and we are on our home page right here. So we see a couple of different options on our home page. So let's go ahead and for that listing that we were interested in right now. So 81 St. Mary Street is right here. So let's search for that listing and right here. And so now when I click on add review, I can actually go ahead and add a review for this listing. So let's say that awesome 5. I liked the food. Let's say that. So there we go. So so as you can see here now that my review is actually available on over here along with the other reviews distinguished. And so now I can actually go ahead and update as well if I want to say like instead of I like the food is I hated the food. So let's save that. And so now my review has been updated to I hated the food. So now let's try and go ahead and create a listing for ourselves. So 81 St. Mary Street, we saw that that was present, but let's search for something else. So let's search for like this here for this listing that does not exist. Okay, so you can't find the address, you can't find the listing, please consider logging in, creating a listing. So we can go ahead and in our home, we can create a listing, and let's search for that listing once again. So over here, let's create this listing. As you can see, now this listing appears under my created listings. So I'm just going to go ahead and look at this listing. So I have different choices over here. Since I've created this listing myself, I can go ahead and delete this listing, or I can go ahead and add a review for this listing myself. So yeah, so actually I'm not going to go ahead and add a review for this one. Yeah. So beyond that, there's different other features as well. So let's take a look at this listing from another person's point of view now. So let's take a look at this listing from. So actually, you know, the other listing that we saw, 81 St. Mary Street, I was the one who created it. I just created another account. So if I take a look at this listing now, as you can see, I can see Tom 2020, that user that I just made up. I can see his listing under other reviews. I can also go ahead and just delete this listing, actually. So I'm just going to go ahead and delete this listing. Are you sure you want to delete this listing? Sure. Yes, I am sure. So as you can see now, this listing has gone away from my listings. I can also go ahead and completely delete profiles altogether. So let me try to go ahead and delete this user profile right over here. So are you sure you want to delete your profile? This will delete everything. So yeah, sure. I'm going to delete my profile. So I can see my profile is deleted and my listing will no longer be visible. So that 81 St. Mary Street will not be visible any longer. 686 Edina though, that address that is visible, as you can see right over here, because that was created by Tom. Say I forgot my password. Click on forget password, and basically what I need to do is I need to provide my email address. So since the email address I registered on my campus wasn't a valid email address, I'm not going to provide that here. But basically, I provide this email address, and it will send me an email to my email address. So the email will look something like this. So as you can see, it comes from this Gmail account, and we'll send you a link to essentially reset your password. So when you click on this link, what you end up getting is you're redirected to a page like this where you're told to confirm your password and submit. And with this, you can actually go ahead and reset your password. So yeah, so that's Rate My Rental. That's it.